welcome back to Lawn Cheetahs. We got a deal. We got a Lawn Boy self-propelled lawnmower and a snapper. I don't know what, some kind of snowblower. Anyway, this one has some really bad gas. We were told by the owner of it. So we got to do all the carburetor stuff and all that and that kind of stuff, you know. This thing has no gas, so I think like in a minute here we're going to try to start this. This one, we got to wash them both for sure. And along with that deal, we're going to look at his generator at some point too. In the winter when we don't have so many projects. But yeah, I think we're going to try to get some gas in this one to see how it does here. It did not start. We got the gas all out of it. So we have to take the carburetor off. So first of all, we got to take the screw here and the screw here off. Once we've done that, we'll flip this camera back on and show you what other screws you got to take off. So after we took the two bolts off, we have a tube right here we need to remove, and then a tube right here. Just easy. You just got to pull them right off. So right here, all you need to do is slide the carburetor off. So we got the seal here. That just comes right off. Now we got to disconnect this linkage up here. Right there. You can see that. So I'm going to quick figure out how to do that, and then I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, so we made some progress. We got the fuel line right here off. Just slip that kind of end cover off. Pinch it together, pull it off. Now these two we got off. Now this one, it attaches. You can kind of see like right in there. You need to like fully turn it and then just kind of pop it off. And then this tiny little spring thing, one second, right there, just like a little hook. So you just, it goes like right there. You can see the tiny hole like right there. Just unhook it. Now this last one right here, still looking at that. Okay, so the way that I got this here rod thing out, I watched a video and it's not supposed to be bent like the way it is. It's supposed to just pop out, but I couldn't get it bent back. So what I did was, you can see here, see this? Well, I was able to kind of twist it and pop it out like this. So, yeah. And then you just gotta reconnect it. Like this. Well, I will show you in the reassembly of the carburetor how to get this here piece in there. So, yeah, I just had to pop that out. Here is the rod. I'm just gonna connect that back in. After that, you just slide this off like that. Boom. Now we're gonna probably clean this up. Ultrasonic will show that in just a moment. Okay, we're ultrasonicing at the moment. Looking pretty good. As you can see. I did not show you guys the reassembly because I showed you the disassembly, but long story short, we got everything put back together. It's in there nice. So we're gonna put some fuel in the tank and see if this starts. I'm pretty excited for this. So, no leaks, and let's just try it. Fluid time. Guys, I did it again. I forgot to connect the spark plug. Okay, let's now try it. Okay, starting fluids in. since the carburetor cleaning of the lawn boy did not really work very well, we just bought a new carburetor. It's right here. It's also got a spark plug, new fuel line, some gaskets, new air filter, some stuff like that. So we're gonna pull this out, and since we already showed you how to take the first carburetor off, I think we'll just remove the carburetor and we'll turn it back on for the test. We might also replace the air, we are going to replace the air filter. We're also going to replace the spark plug.
Go.